for my money. There was nobody.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an Ulta haul because I did some holiday shopping. If you're interested in seeing what I got from Ulta, just keep watching. The first items that I want to share with you that I got at Ulta were actually these adorable stocking stuffers, and they were 5 for $10, and the first ones were these moisturizing foot masks, and I've never actually used masks like these, but I can't wait to try them out, and I got 3 so I could get one for me, my mom, and my sister. I also got this sleeping mask that says "Wake me when it's the weekend," which is so cute, and it's purple, which I've been loving purple recently, so it's just perfect. And then I also got these oil blotting sheets, which I definitely need during the summertime, you know, just when it gets hotter for the T-zone. Like I said, these products were 5 for $10. They were super cute and they make perfect stocking stuffers, so you should head to Ulta and pick these up. The next item I picked up is the Morphe 35M Boss Mood Artistry palette, and I won't be opening it up for you guys, but I will place a little picture of it on the screen here. And I'm not opening it up because this is actually a gift for my sister, and she already knows she's getting it, so that it's okay that I'm saying it in the video. This palette is actually gorgeous, and I remember like when I was looking at it in the store, I thought, you know, maybe I might have to pick one of these up for myself, you know? And it comes at a great price. I believe it was $24. So this is it seems like it's gonna be a great palette. Obviously, I can't speak on the quality because I haven't used it myself, but I will let you know if my sister lets me know or if I end up picking up the palette myself. The next items I got were these brushes by ECOTOOLS, which I love ECOTOOLS brushes. A lot of my brush collection is from ECOTOOLS. They're great, they're affordable, and they last so long. Some of my ECOTOOLS brushes I've had for years, and it's so great. And you can actually get these at Walmart, pretty much any drugstore. I believe I picked those up for buy one, get one 50% off, so I would definitely get on that if you are interested in getting some new brushes. The next thing I got is this Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, sage, and orange blossom, and really I just got this so I could try it. I tried all of the other scents that have, you know, the different ingredients in them, and so far my favorite is actually the lavender one, the one that is purple, but I haven't tried this out. I will definitely keep you guys updated on this and all of the other products that I'm mentioning in this whole haul because I haven't actually gotten a chance to use any of them yet. The next thing I picked up is the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer, the Super Coverage Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. Now I actually already have this in a different shade. I have it in Butterscotch and it's more of a highlight shade, but I actually wanted to go ahead and pick this up in a shade that was closer to my skin tone for more spot concealing. And I actually am currently using my Tarte Shape Tape in, I think it's a deep or tan. No, I think it's deep. And I like it, but it is a bit drying, and you know, now that we're in the drier months, I wanted something a little bit more hydrating. Plus this has hyaluronic acid in it, which is just so nice for the skin. So I'm definitely looking forward to trying this out in this shade, which is Maple. The next thing I picked up is this Wet n Wild gel liner in Gone Burgundy, and I got this because I believe it was on sale for 99 cents, so I thought I'd pick this up because I can always use a lip liner. I am kind of upset because I thought this, I don't know why I thought this would be lighter than it actually is. I'm not upset with the color, but I mean, I don't know. I wish I had better judgment. Ignore the other swatches. I wish I had better judgment when I was in the store, but that's what it looks like. It's just, you know, a burgundy. The next item I got is the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. This is actually a staple. This is a repurchase probably 5 or 6 times over. I absolutely love this. This isn't the only matte black eyeliner I use, but it's the one that I reach for the most often. I think it's the easiest to use. The actual applicator is just the easiest to use, I think, especially if you want that perfect wing liner. I would definitely try this out if you haven't already. I believe it's only $6 at Ulta. The next item I picked up is from The Body Shop, and this is the Coconut Delights bag. And it's just this mini bag with body butter, shower gel, and hand cream, and it is coconut scented as the name would suggest. And I actually love Body Shop items, and I haven't bought anything from The Body Shop in so long, so I thought I would try this out. It was on sale, I believe, for 40% off, so I think the original price was $15, and I got it for $6, I believe, so that was really nice. The next product I picked up was the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlighter. Guys, I wanted this when it came out the first time, but I didn't allow myself to buy it because I had just gotten the Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife, and I thought, You do not need another single highlighter that's, you know, in this big of a pan. But when it came out again, I thought, okay, you know what? I have enough Ulta Beauty Rewards points. I haven't used it yet. Like I said, I haven't used anything, but just look at this. Look. I love this thing. The last thing I picked up from Ulta, which was actually the reason why I went into Ulta, was the Dose of Colors Desi x Katy Friendcation palette. I had been eyeballing this ever since it came out, but I decided that $55 was just a lot for an eyeshadow palette when I had never bought anything from Dose of Colors before. And not only that, I haven't actually spent that much money on an eyeshadow palette before, because the most expensive eyeshadow palettes I currently own are the Anastasia Beverly Hills ones. But then they went on sale. 50% off at Ulta. So I thought, I have to get it. So I did. I bought it. And look at it. Ugh, it's gorgeous. I can't wait to use this and create looks with this and get back to you guys on how I feel about it. Thank you so much for watching my video. This is really my first big Ulta haul, and I know it wasn't that big, but it was big for me, and I really appreciate you guys watching and sitting through this with me. What have you guys bought recently? I know that there's been a lot of stuff on sale, a lot of things that have been recently released. I know a lot of holiday collections have been coming out, so let me know in the comments what you guys have been buying recently and what you guys have been loving, and also if you picked up any of the products that I mentioned today and how you feel about them. I hope you have a great day or night wherever you're at. Bye.
For my money. There is nobody, no one that run me. Another world!